Hi friends, this is Vivek from KJ Rifle, and in today's video I am sharing a quick hands-on with Xperia Z5 Premium. Sony launched the Xperia Z5 Premium in India at a price tag of ₹62,890 and it is available starting November 7. And the Xperia Z5 Premium is the world's first 4K smartphone, and if you have to purchase this smartphone then you have to wait a little bit, or it is available exclusively online on Flipkart, and offline you can get it from retail stores. It comes in gold and chrome colors. As a promotional offer, it is bundled with Sony Quick Charge, which enables 5.5 hours of usage with only 10 minutes of charging, and you will get a smart cover which costs ₹3,500. And above all, when you pre-book the Xperia Z5 Premium in the time period of October 25th to 4th November, you will get a Sony MDI AX31V earphone which costs ₹5490 absolutely free. Apart from this, it comes with app offers, like you will get a 3-month subscription offer from Sony Music which costs ₹15,000, and 3-month subscription offer from Sony Live worth ₹299, and free Amazon Kindle ebook worth ₹1,000, and 3-month subscription service from Hungama Play which costs ₹750, and there is a pre-installed game Mortal Kombat which costs ₹750. Apart from this, as you can see, there is the costly phone. You will get finance offers from SGFC and Bajaj Finance. You will get a ₹5,000 cashback from SGFC Bank if you purchase this smartphone using credit card, and with a down payment of ₹2,999, you will get this smartphone and pay the highest amount in EMIs. On the specification front, it features 5.5-inch Full HD display. The resolution is pretty good, and you will not find any problem with the resolution. And the good thing you will see that when you record the video, you will get you can scale it to further 4K. Apart from the display, there is a 25-megapixel camera with Sony branding and range of sensors above the display. The navigation button are part of the display. On the right hand side, there is a power key which can also be used as a fingerprint sensor, and the power key can be, the fingerprint sensor can be done in 5 patterns. You can use the 5 fingers and hold it the way you like. There is a volume key and quick camera button. By using this, you can automatically launch the camera in seconds and capture the moment. At the back, there is a 23-megapixel camera with LED flash, and there is a Sony branding and Xperia. The back panel has a crown finish, and it is crowned to fingerprints. As you can see, there are number of fingerprints are there. On the left hand side, there is a strip. By removing it, you get access to dual SIM card slots and micro SD card slot. It's a hybrid SIM card slot by which you can use the other SIM card slot as a memory SD card slot. And at the top, there is a 3.5mm audio jack with a mic. At the bottom, there is a micro USB slot for charging and transferring the data. Tapping on notification toggle panel gives you access to few settings, and tapping on settings button gives you access to all the settings button. It runs on Android version 5.1.1, and it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 810 processor. It has 3GB of RAM and 32GB inbuilt memory. And the inbuilt memory can be expanded further up to 128GB by using micro SD card. It packs 3430 mAh battery, and above all, it has IP65 and IP67 ratings, so that it is dust-proof, waterproof. You can use the smartphone underwater too, and by running multiple applications and using it for long hour, you will not find any problem of lag or heating with this device. The main USP of the smartphone is the 4K. It's a world's first 4K display, and when it comes to display, you will not find any problem with the smartphone. We'll share more about the device in our upcoming video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the video.